Karibu sana mutegeri wa Meru TV mubango na turinge ime ni mubango jorota dagora tugitigerani tugukuretera athoji ba siasa atongeria akari na turi bonde nikana tukatha tukithujaga na gutegera mantu jegie weti na mbere tukwa naro turi na bwire basa temugani kireba atwe kana methe mbere kire mbicha yetu itedagara tuno yo kutigera itukuthuja na gutegera what is happening around mantu jaja gwita na mbere kagita na karia torana drange kuthomera ngatheti tukuga rais nombe tukuthirwa agithujwa nyuma ya gukaragitene kintuko ngirie moikurukite ira kuga Ruto at 1000 baruga Ruto at 1000 itedire tugetegera mantu kathumba jegie utongira bora iskuma kire affordable housing ibategerete hasra fund ibategerete mubango yojo mwaro jo gima jwasha ibategerete mantu jegie kithomo na mantu zange za maingi jera jombete kuthirwa ja kithujwa na gutegerwa kwa karibuni sana tugategera mantu za una zange za maingi kinyanja jegie utongeria bo county kagita na kara gukwerekana oro ari governor wa mbere wa county Meru Peter Gatira umunya na oro ari senator mithikari nturi kuririkana ibapake thaba gitongagiria ruterero rugana thirikari kiri campaign ndene county Meru nyinunka thiti naro kinye kugo ekwa atonge babo baire ninyako thiri baguchwa gitika ngapa na obo baire ibapako makuthura bagitongagiria ruterero rugana thirikari kiri campaign ndene ya county je kwa karibuni sana ndene mubango je turinge ime bora bwerie ukariata
undo mwagamu wana mutuma kanke ya tegeli babo ndaba Meru TV rukiriro ranarwa rukiriro rwagamu tumbito mbito tuchamida nyakari tinde na tegeli ponde baba tegeli turuti ngito bitombiri basa kuma ruterero aro centrament antogota kwa Ruiga ya amgeturu amuna aro tugeria kuthomithania kweresana na kura na ndigure ture gwitambere na muno mantu ja Meru county yetu tukona kwi mantu ja kujaraumilira ja Tharaka-Nithi tukona kwina andu akugerano nyite na stio no tukuri mbio ngwe kwendelea na ale kethura Meru ne kali ole kali inya ja Tharaka-Nithi ya stio ngwitike ugato chura temtone na inya ja Meru nya county Meru stio
exactly
iteke bui muno tukagerinya kuona mbio ngwa imbirio nyayo
right
mungu wetu ndege tuweta mbere karibuni ya tegeli kwanza ba Meru TV muthenya junge mwaga onarua tukwatanite nabwe
alright karibu sana bwiri mbere tuambirie kana tuthoja county chetu that is county Meru na county Tharaka-Nithi otouga county Tharaka-Nithi ni gukujira a lot of wrangles problems nyingi sana nye tokana na report yu na few ne kuona go hau kaire
ntiameona
yegie tukatha twetakagira yegie makarika MCS na rabatu gwatanira ibakumeneria governor kwa baba na po any a lot of things
na nya Meru county yiki twina tuteke bui
nyayo na a lot of things
nyayo tukambaria
yetu ugatorize kuzagu ugo kumenya nonto one thing about Otongera county governor Horore current kuge kundikia mururira sana can you don na ingwetika babu bore ya member no bu still bwithagura no bugutaka na bukona ara kwena kathina bugakauga the same thing to carry but before that bana boire Ruto na go celebrate na ituko mutarira ntuko ngiriemo so far origwate how ken tuko ngiriemo iji tuko tararo baruga Ruto hits 1000 days oreona atia ga sofa kiro tongira bo borais ore filata tukongiriemo
ni tukuinyigirio kwithwa tuonete anything kwenda tuonete development lakini gitukirege tuligalia na kekuligalia mtu wote yani kyake uligalio ni ati most of the development ira tweterete tukona tio tukona matujera tweterete jo tukadwa tuona jo in the country Meru county ni Kenya yonde tijo tukuona wati ya witness kana mantu yaja kumira itukuligana imbi utumaja umira na ijo pati kwa rectified mantu yaja kumira within those 1000 days kitukira tuona ko crack kingi skando ichi tongeretie otekana kwena sha otekana itukwenda kwa ni kyandeke ikwendwa otekana itukwirwa airport ni kwendwa I mean force authority ni kwendwa wejano ukaigwanga KCC ne kwendwa wejano ukaigwanga Bomas yange kudinya wejana ajo ukaigwanga kitaka fulani kiwita these are the things which are permitted these are 1000 days imantu ja jaraja tongere tena jajo yuliku imantu ja maskando wamba utongeria buti ne boga na ndurure kali mantu ja kuinga bangi impeach bang deputy governor I mean, not the deputy governor, but the deputy president. So you must get on these 30 days. Now, Kenya thoi ba utwira, uten development yongwe reja, ireto bati kuona within 1,000 days. Atuirito within 100 days, not 1,000, to cover 2 feel the weight of his government. Lakini teka turamiona ingwetekia. Heiza kama purani tatu job na the remaining tukuingi tigereka nene atangu akarabu ya mnachua. Lakini kila tu witness within this 1,000 days, imaskado jama jemono. A lot of claims. Na kiaki adokiamato Burundi within 1,000 days. Ni mburakano ile datonye in the country.
Right.
Mburakano kia GNC. Mburakano kia kungwa tanto bakaura. Already we have got some arrows even now. Na ito giro president ugai aisore. Lakini te kaugire aisore. Kaugire Eve. Augire Eve. Ukaja kuiba kwa makosa liditie. Indekero. According to me, atamenya kwa makosa liditie. Na according to me, buga kiriwa madujo ndo japena ngwetiga buga to makosa jaro or something. Lakini kaugire ke ukaya kwa makosa liditie. Na antijeno kamwe kwa makosa jaro kwa no tena jo. So that one will mean at that.
Right.
Teka tu amekurukia na tena no kurukia u. But what there is 1,000 days, there is nothing to be proud about. Tinge tukugirirwa no tika kuona ki 1,000 days. Jo tukira ke batikuwa kirio. In development batikuwa tukona. For example in Meru. Within 1 days ura wakari itu apati kuwa tukona roto parapara nyingi muno kia ya tamak. As we stand now. Itupati kuwa tukiona ute crisis chukuru. Lakini ndio kila chukuru tulirwa ute ana bateri rwa magerio. O kila chukuru kwa ba change anga mameta sisi mwejite. CBC. Ukamwe kwa CBC. Na ndio tuayo ngo mutegani ndio ngo mtambre tukwaga. Lakini anyway katuge baka ya kuba plan te within the remaining days tukona lakini meko yako kinyamu tuagatau.
Alright.
Lakini zibati utapu watu atere for the remaining days.
Okay.
Tuone biko mo lakini po kike unini ngwa 1,000 days utika ndrona.
Okay. Na kire manto zo wataririe kidogo ja Junzi baraba kwa twandika ni mutegeri wetu kire ripoti ire rekite na gutukinyira ni ati kire muthako wagwatori borisi ntuko njima mosi na akwa baruga na nde borisi barabonde bosikanire bonde bakoronge kwa nguge ni ripoti tukona ndoma kuthirwa ngitumiro ni mwerekeri wakwa akuga kuma kire OCS wa Central Police Station officer on duty baba ingi bonde ripoti rere kero tabara bonde bombera kuthira baki usikana na itagarerire itakabarongekirwe ngugero no kedra izi kedro isava justice utagete boyo na boyeria no tabar ibaroge actually kero dai ni National Police Service I don't know kedra justice enough ni mamlaka kwa
It's a step forward only ukedra tumba kalungu kwa nguge na tuone kioto kama mtu.
Okay.
Step is a song. They have taken a step. Lakini kukeja kwithiro ti unge baka kurukia manto ya kurukamu. Iko kija kuba kwa karora tutuire kuona. Mtu akagwa to akalekerwa runene. Tukero mtu akubutwa ngwire runene acho kwa galingo transfer akaiko kuntu kungera tutumuona. That is not justice. What we are crying in Kenya now is justice for the few offended. Tukenda kuona kodi yetu kindia justice na tukenda kuona mtu wonde akidirwa justice na muno atu baba kuvura baba kiasa. Tukenda nyambo kuna badwa justice nikenda justice yao ni families yao ikaidwa ijesha kana ikegwirairwa uru bwatu na budene Kenya.
Right. Yeah. Tukari manto jage justice ntuko inka ikorokete tonere governor mutumo to idinge kire kontemiro akiriungira muchijwa mutotiki sniper na imanto still ikesire kotini na tango ndo tomezoja in terms of dene but kweginto governor arombere na aworia muchijoria bomba kudura bakinogo kia kana bakidika sniper now yani daina ande bomba kudura bakie munogo kia I don't know on your part bona boiria ore filata kana no gwita Canadian na ugabo bo governor bogena and it is the high time sniper mbako thura kino gukwa
embere kabuge gwita Canadian na governor na nya familia ni no gimono kuma dira twambaniria mantia sniper dira twaliongera ku tuniongera family stranded tuone family tied tuone family kondoga muno not about the death of Sniper na kuba Sniper akalita mochari for one year. 1 year can one year and some days. Akalita mochari, which is not good, which is not fair, which is unbearable. So kulingana ura kwa akali batu tuenda tungite Sniper kadhigo kenda tuona papas dirikali tume pressure etwa kana ili ndia kyo tuge Sniper tumenya ukyo Sniper na ni atora urero nembia tumeroragwa kulingana na steps ili kitwe ingwetekia abangabana buru aradiriye is okay because we have seen there are some stages which we must step na di wetambene na kila kiali mono kila kiali the most important thing ni kuona ni ati uratu suspect haja wole na mantuja ni the former governor na I just suspected mono tuniga gwa mantuja ya diuruka residence ya kadiuruka antubamu very close kiwe ya ikonsana nawe ya kadiurukira residence yewe ukone nya ukononera polisi ya midurukira na mbekira tip ikiwa ni crime zone mantuja ya uchoka ya dire do limwe na dike wonete Sniper akirunga mandikenda tirisi tu ya kuona ni those people who are concerned antubara bagwate kana babera kwa pale akwina and yewe mwaka kyoto kya jera kyoneke lakini ndiaketi endelea na matu yendelea ituonere the former governor akumobisini na akuma residence so ukaja kuba governor na no suspect kwa na matu aminge mno akiuza kwa na yenyi so ukaja kumba gitene na tuenda Sniper na justice tuetikia tero turo kipingamizi kila kyaro gikumo gitine na niyo wori kipingamizi kya kuingira tutikone justice tuetikia na ndese justice ikoneka na ile tu kwa conclude wori mona ndese Sniper can be valid na ikyo kone the family is very clear, the family is very much willing to give Sniper value na nuko nenya kwa wendo kona kidiki give a hand nuko nyombe weda kwa complete ile kwa kirwa ni the deputy president so tuatika mazuru kwa nenya deputy president datonyele tio tuona kutena nindi kutena nindi weka Sniper kaida atidiki so all arms of the government itukona by Nigeria ki kumudika so ifamily akida eteli na family eletikiridia so Sniper within 2 months ma after nyombe dile na conclusion ya didola to kwa ndika ziko committee kedro leo then Sniper will be valid and that is a very good move yeah.
Thank you ndiko natonyera muno that issue because tugwaga ishira chikwenchigire court and all that itenda kumulika lot
tutaka tukwalege manturi kalia tukwalege the reason
yes
ule Sniper kalita na ula kukali na the reason ila tukwana kudiko kwa wenandi
all right
you know to is good it's a good idea na ngabana na lilebwa kamono
murika motigari yankurikanie roterero Facebook no idroge tudingatanga ira ukalike page yetu ugashare mantu tukwaria ntukwa narwa watonya Facebook akathira Meru TV Kenya ndina ara thiri 11.2 FM inyano gatwethira na kurokikiri YouTube ogatwethira kiri Meru TV digital ntari iuchomde bana boirie county Meru kagitana gaka nitone tentere mwanya itonera kariba central akariba bore ba south imenti nenya naregembe bagichumiria na bonde ikundi bimwe bakiugaga Rais William Ruto na munini wa Professor Kithure Kindiki bombe kuthura Senator Gathuri Murungi bombe nengere gitike waziri wa urimi ndo baba bonde bachumrite na kuromba sana Senator bombe kuthura kithura wa na kujukwa kire gitike waziri wa urimi. I don't know how you feel about this thing nonto movement irambiriria mpari lakini thai every day ikundi bikumira na tukiwa South Imenti tige kundige kweza nyabo bakwenda central itonyera nara kwa ni baumire bori bara umire again binyabo ikundi bikumira. I don't know, what do you feel about this thing?
Thank you Ambape I attended even one of those meetings.
Okay.
Jongejwa coordinators ba kiama we don't attend it and it was the same thing that the idea ne kadula ne kirogitikia yes reason ni mwere gutonya muno ni kuonera Meru tutura na CS baire kiragi gutonya muno
na kuma ukabere
kuma kabere tuturo twaga baire twateka rastri twari na midika no ali wenka lakini wateka mbere ale itwari na mwekuru weta wakobia na munya na nyoka teka utiro pabura baini waje gitara ke baki to ena kireitu na bamwiraria and some others so hiyo ndio kala yake igwetania lakini kukaira na atiri muketha wewe gitara tutwira kulinga tuthwa CS baini na ukaje utaka kire kondira twino bati twali number 4 kunenkera ruto kura ile twamunenkere ndene Meru County ito in the whole country ito twali number 4 munenkera kura ile nyingi twachinda nyanto baka ndaira kwao kulire twamunenkerete so we expected these people to be rewarded it was expected the Meru County are rewarded mwega that's one of the things we are talking about it was expected the minister para tukajenga kuongera lakini tuweza ona bate kuongera so one of the things there kula ndo bakwali bakauga kato kwalilia kakukwalirwa ate muka umbagitini no that's not the case utora kwandibokiti mugengwa tuliuga ibelo bye lo rabatwire muka kalegitine kwa wota kadhuri kulinga no an experience na una mafio ile kuendeka ndani Meru na kugegete agriculture because he's one of the politicians we have in Meru ni mtu mmoja the movement cha Meru na mtu mmoja kumenyeka no kumeka nduni wewe speaker deputy speaker no kumeka nduni na tu ile MP na didn't senator Meru so according to him he has got aina kiriundu kia kana na kumenya what happened to the government ni na actually tena yo he knows a lot of things so according to Meru people he is one of the senior most politicians in Meru but we have got some other people like Kreito is a senior politician ninyo no endete lakini ngotika ndo Kreito na adabu takanywa au gateko tonya sana kairi there's a possibility mkanadi no kona banekrete kaduri lakini ukiuni what happened muka teka abati kumetina muka kati menya in politics ukaiwa gitika minister take kugoka lobisine that's one of the things I will tell you to talk about today take kugoka lobisine you are supposed to be politically able you are supposed to defend the government of the day you are supposed to defend the president of the day by your means not only to be the office not only to perform your work as a minister you have to help your president politically na ino kuona anto muga atira leo tonya kile politics kia ile kia minister yo tulapati kwa felt not many people in Meru know there is muga
so muga ta felt bado
ata felt no not even many people in Meru know there is muga so muga if I tell you I'm going to remain in the ministry let me advise him if I tell you I'm going to remain in the ministry you must go deep in the villages you must try to meet your people you must go in all the counties spreading the gospel like others are doing you can see how you can now see how Kindiki is going you can see what he is doing he is going everywhere and mostly in Mount Kenya nukuona ula mwetakia jana into nikenda kwamba kunida dirikali umba kwa feroti yotunya Kindiki nyawa atirengika kinje Kindiki ata aja feroti lakini nukuona ndina kwa feroti because he is inside nukuona Meru and he was there mwedato ada the other day nukuona Kibiricha na ali nao nukuona Kakoromone na leo those are the things which Muka must be doing kedombo tegerais na ikiwa kuona ntuga kaduri they are very capable ni antubatonya ile kiacha na batonya antuja Kreito kale president they are very capable bakalite dirikali mwijiri and they know how to go about it so these people kina Kreito kina kaduri go and libete batongeria mwano muga politically na bamuoni kiacha ule kiacha ikara na bamuoni ule ministers bakaragia president otherwise we might lose muga kile politics lakini azatugia nao watu kugana ndi tuliko keja kwethwa at least kuli mtu ugeta president na muchwe in other parts of the central Kenya na muchwe na wa murume na wa mubuta kana mukiora muikia but for this young man is a young man is a MC mtu tira kana mwina muno so let us give him time to nedra akaba machiasa urachita.
But you feel that Senator Kadhuri akanengera wakitekia waziri is capable? umutegete senator you feel that kind of
what the president wants now the minister alienda mtu umuteja ndoere aliona ndi that is what he wants.
Can Kaduri do that?
Yeah.
Kaduri
can deliver it. Yeah. Okay, the column do to Senate and deputy speaker. Okay, column do to senator. Ikone ni mtu in a lot of connections even to the Kenya. Ikone ni mtu in a connections in all the senators in Kenya. Ikone ni mtu rompire kulindi our senators to our goal cannot to what they are supposed to do. So ikone ni mtu ongelia ukumbo tonge the Senate. No kamba Kaduri na kumbo tonge the Senate na Senate ya mwadhikira. Akedresi yes bakagwatana na ministers babangi na bagwatana na senators babangi kwedro akeja kwedro ngoro kedro ku take the president na no president ya kwenda ndi you can do it. Right. To take the president politically you can do it. But about performing politically in the ministry that one I can't talk because we have not been tested. And politically Kaduri is able. Politically Kaduri can go to any part of Kenya and he can be felt. Politically Kaduri is known in Mombasa. Politically Kaduri is known in Garissa. Politically Kaduri is known in Kisumu. Politically Kaduri is known in Taita Taveta. And in Meru is his home. Na Meru tumdo tije Kaduri. So Kaduri will not need an introduction in the whole Kenya. Didaka bili in case ya kaona position yebu. Didaka bili kudiuruka. Aki campaign na race kana uteja race kuona problem wile nina ndi kudira. That is how no kona Kaduri akejira no kona Kaduri akakipabu. Because it's aware, he's tested, he's able, and he can do it. The other thing, or to carry a man to a meal, Nkadi man to Yamu, this I don't know whether to Katuki, you at least better talk it now. No, yet a gitabula. To a lot of problems, say Chian Gabano Radiku, the former governor. The former governor, and you can get a Kudika Kiam, which is very good.
Okay.
Kilingana na right chiawe, na bati Kudika Kiam. Gitu kira ake, the former governor na bati kuduru akimenya ati sheria cha nduguri chibati kwa dikiro. Na bati kumenya we have to obey the rules of the country. Na bati kumenya ati okay ndura nwiri no kwa ebiru gite na o shirazi na ma intobio ndebia all the tools of the power igweta utibati kuduru kiwe ngabana kaidi. The former governor alitakiana akiana nsa akagwa ngabana ni mama na akagwa ngabana. That's a claim itself. You never to muditanga. The other thing, Governor Alumara, Nangunzi Chawi Kamadi Techu, Musi Kamadi Tangi, Musi Kamadi Tangi, I mean, Musi Chena Churu, Nabanka by into another crude weapons. The king Governor Nakanaka, whatever, but we know, there's a young man with Vitali Magana that we are talking because of the not to walk put alone there now. Now, what we are seeing is this. Ukeja kwithirwa thirikari ni kumenya ati mantu jari jakalikire na ngabana ugakedho na muchemano next weekend either Ntumburi or in another place iratira ugire
former governor
the former governor akaja kwithirwa ala kugakedho na muchemano next weekend the former governor na thirikari ndigwitikia atha wa preka na thirikari kaugatea but it must be noted because Kenya Meru tutikwenda kwithirwa ile country ya crisis. Mwisho another hagi figure rero mbire dharakanithi bikie mwengo kumono na tutekwa desperate Meru aja ituronere eshimua mtu udhuri na kura bairunga mabakagira na itina bakaunanga iti simply because of politics ne kiasi ili kuendelea nale because baba agira na iti to kula antu ba support njuki kula antu ba kwenda kuichura political power na njuki because ba njuki atirunga maiteka ili so inyaba mudhiro teno ba tonyera yati ko tomutunga kula antu bakutonyera thirikari iria ina dharakani na ndinye Meru indi kuri antu batonyera thirikari mutumatugana ni critically very hiria.
All right.
Kuri antu batonyete na baindene na antu bade aim tiguteja awangabana ndikura nawe ukachulia uko document ni gweta o matoya ku account no kwa jingirwa kile opposition ni ukajengwa ja ukinyabaita TV ukajengwa ja ukinyamuntukungi outcome inaja kuma. Those are the people who have been with the former governor. Ibomba kuleta na ibomba kusiniki. All the classified documents. And let me tell you one thing. In the zirikari. Uwoka watu umaliti any classified document, you are supposed to be charged. wabati kuita mwena court of law. Na ukeja kwa mtu wa Meru County, utisaini tekili code of regulations, usaini code of conduct, usaini official secret act, no msaini ukole obisine, you are supposed to be sacked. So as we go now, everybody mwitingo zikali na pati kwa saini te official secret act. Nikiandalia secret ya zikali kaumira ugo wa responsible. Utuke ugo bishira itete report ugo kazia. That nibye tuma bugo. Tunatupara patule kuduke zikali mutuma, and we have them and we know them and we will name them. Teka tukabakirira beje kuduke zikali na ndi beje tabakiri ba bega muno. Beje tabakiri ba bega muno kidikali mutuma ne yake mutuma. Yeah? But these are the people, iwa baba atuile kugea kuchwa down for age. Atu tukachuli atili, uko na dili udengerete okienda utonya kidikali ya mutuma. How do we know that we have separated with the former governor?
Who are they?
Yeah?
Wow.
Bado mirwe. Bariku na tumu. Bamba baichita political advisor. Banga baichita faina mantua mingi mono. Na ndio mpura wose alis. Kindukira kirio antuja baba mama baichita ngai political advisor ngai. We know they are dealing with the most legal people kana baikarana. The right hand people banga bana urora aliku. Ibamba utindabo. Lakini no bakuiba kwa advice you bakwa advice wangamana. Tutialega iba mu advice. But bilokeja kwethura uko tonye thirikari na wina some other things in your mind kana go tumi ndira kukamenyeka uko go tumi the former governor uja kwa thirikari governor mutuma, make sure you be dealt with atuge ututukira,
right?
Because utumba kuja kundi ula thirikari ukali yara kini katuge atiri kurangi tigirira ndoka ndukwira mantu ja meeting sira idio meeting idio ikibati okyuro njira former governor akudithia ikibati okyuro njira ikoneka nimbiyongwa iutumirika na thuri wiponzira kyomirire wiponzira chedro iterunge chedro ikeja michemani yengi yaida thirikari kanzu michemani era buru na ukeja kwa thirikari komba michemani ithura ni na peace peace yongwa ere kwandikana kwenda peace mote mtu bati kuitore itikiawe utemtu bati ukanwa itikiawe. That's one of the things we must know. But when kire itikia kuwe step utebati kueta beyond uro bati ukinya uko wareti ya mchemani uko wareti ya udona mchemani na uko wareti ya mchemani what you do kali pangas what you do kali mitendi tangi what you do kali mchururu in a meeting what you do be led by no commandos china issue ba utongerete nego former governor nego ita mchemani no baine that one cannot be able lakini ndira pakaendwa mchemani ile kadi ndira ikedo isin ya mchemani era kadi former governor clean John tuire ikiawe no etikini lakini ukeja kuiba kwa mchemani ngeta ni chura wakaleka ili our government akana thirikari yetu kana county commissioner we must be ready to deal and to cancel all those meetings forthwith kutuko mchemani wewe kedo eleo John tukako kwinta ukamenya duro gatuma umuntu umemchemani unajua kwa injandi na mama chitani that means jago tena batana to baba integulwi you don't want them. You are not even able to do with them. Ko badilia. Which might stop.
Wanaburi together manto as former governor. Itoronere some of the officials back at Jubilee. Barina Rantumburi. Pengine kulingana na udhoji wako kwa siasa. Do you feel do you think madam former governor no edro akedhukane wodro akias associate na rotaro Jubilee kana still no kona daga madam akena kenge kyawe?
According to me, madam akaja kama kyawe former governor akaja kama kyawe ule ngabano onere na ule onete utira korenda gwitikira kama kya muntu kaini yontu kinya kiwa kujali ajira rasiri kuja na independent ni uradi ditwe kulingana struggle ile leo wana ticket ya kama and to be very hand kijana ade ugagacheza hilo so kiliwe the only thing he can do ikuja kama kyawe eja kama kyawe ali the coalition with these other parties nikyo kwenda kuita coalition yale wenka alienda kuita kama because kama jitata kiama ikigika kiama isinuni. Now one of the things au kuona ndio just step forward. One of the things ira miru nere kura miru kwegwa batu twetera kujua ni unda tutina kiama kia miru. Gitu kali kiama kile tu kiaro ye gware ambas lakini hata bamiru badame njoni watu abacho mjoin. Itu kama tunda jitu ambasi na tuko ambasi na figures. Na yaje kuambasi kwani. Tena ndio twetera tukione kabla tekura mbinguni. Lakini tu twetera. Miru ni divide. Now miru kaja gwebra komba They combine together ka support kiama kimwe is okay na ndikyo kuona na ukila oja kaja no kuona na biama bibi mo biko data now ba biko da bibi kuona Jubilee tuko na ja kioni na ali now we have got somebody like Kalili was there na no kuona nyali ntule no kuona ba mukanda the big weeks in Meru kina munya no bakuga na former governor. So these are the politics we are waiting to see which direction they are going to take. To get there to negative direction iriku.
Right. Tukiara iden Lentori na Peter Munyam kagita na kaka Lentori no secretary kirikia makayudi kia DCP sorry. Na ogatagari yanka thitine na arua baruga both Lentori na Peter Munya ibaba kadha bagitongeria caravan ya opposition kiri campaign share yonda ene account Meru. At the same time atongera baba baire bonde bakwenda getekea ngabana. Pengine how do you feel kanona tu kuona ngwataniro ya nto baba baire getana mbere no kuona takabomba at the end of it all bomba kudura bage support mtomo ke baba baire kana bageta each munkanda bene.
Let me inform you now. Politics is about betrayal and you have to be betrayed. And you have to now when you go betray somebody.
Politics is about betrayal.
Yeah. The politician they betray and they become betrayed. When we hear be ready to be betrayed and be ready to betray somebody. I think we understand what I mean.
Right.
These two gentlemen, when they come to decide who will take the seat of the governor, there is one who is going to betray the other. One of them is going to betray the other. Kana, in the last days, before they conclude who is going to go, one of them will go out. Kanale kanenda conclusion ile kedwa leo. By this I mean, there cannot be two governors. There will be one. And they have to choose between them. Who among them is going to be the governor. Baki ya jabutuika bakauga ibeti kanidie, bomba gwezi, unite kuona, urapa geti kanidie mwankamudia. Dekula dumbetrio there. Manzuwa bakale kanira mudia. Na bale kanira mudia bakale kanira because nite kuona munya isa renda kitika ngabana. I don't see that. According to me, no. Nimekata. Nite kuona Lentori agitikiria ku step down. Iyo mimi hata hiyo nimekata. If you look at Lentori is having his own party by na party ya DCP. Otega munya ina PNU. Na nite kuona munya atenda kwa candidate PNU. Na nite kuona Lentori atenda kwa candidate DCP. So what I see there is betrayal. Kwa dukana, bo baile bedo baile bene, gitegite.
Gitegite. Gite ata.
No gite.
Gite nao.
Bo baile. Gitige do ai kariore, gitige gita nanto idinke.
Are you sure?
Yes. Me bo bakona yo tu go kala kin something is happening. Imagine missing as to indica there's nothing happening. Let me tell you again. The population of Nyambene, the three constituencies, is very big. And these people have been complaining for all this time that Bataragi Kundi, Yani Bawang Gabana Batunyerwe, and they insist on that. Bago Tebatum, Imentiri, and Gabana Jairi, my Tambini. Okay? Bakauga Creighton no imment, Naring Gabana. Bakauga Kawera no imment, Naring Gabana. Bakauga Munya no Tigania, Naring Gabana. Where is Nyamben? Now, this time, in one or the other, Murumba Kaja Kagwa Maromba Jao. You get me? Abanekera Muntu Nyambene, Ura Wejete, Ata, Ura Wejete, I deputy governor. Murumba Bachokeja Maromba, Abanga, Abawe, Aring Gabana. Mission Maromba Jao, Jantobara Bege, and Bakanam Wigambio Muro, Jakinya. na bona bachokero maromba because they already got the governor ura barendaga now the equalization is there sent imenti na governor tigania na governor igembe na governor now these people are in governor ule no kwando mbira bagembe baju kegiteka ile bakigero kaile bagechokia na imenti no kwando mbira bakida mutigania kaile the second time after there's good to be a lot of division uteu mtu egembe akatunya ntoidinkia gitena ntoidinkia already governor na ngabana iko batura kurura bakiuga bate ali na ngabana na ngabana no batura kurura bakiuga nyambe ne tona ngabana na ngabana no nyambe ne ture kuga ati yo kautika utakwa na lido litebuwi lakini na ndiba inagiti umbira to ntoidinkia kinyakura ne bate muringira ito kwa justice these people they will vote in 90% with their population. So expecting to get nearly 100,000 votes. Only from that region only. Yes. Kuma Nyambene. You want to have a population, you are only under something. Expecting 90% to be for Tedinki. Then, Mejabaga Ningi. Okay? Mejabaga Ningi. So, the Kureli Chabati Weta came with the Kalin Turi. Kenyambene. I'm telling you, you get into Dinki.
Right.
Urele tigere chetigania baka urane na munya ajuki. Munya ajukia achokebeje baka urane chement. So it can depend into Dinki wakedo adizikia payment. It can depend ngugeli kwa kedo abaitileta bagwirwa. So in the meant it will be swing votes. Baka atengoro kedo abaitileta ngui. Okay? Ko kiri gitikira ndo gitikia kamera gitikia strength to idika kedo akaitira ndo baimedi guba mione umenye gitike winya ndo titinda kwa lidia aka you get street without any objection.
All right.
The only thing antubana bomba keja kureka bakeja gutuika baka karamwe na bakeja gutuika bakandi sendi umwe ajukie gitikia ngabana there will be a little problem, not a very big one, but kura ika chamunya ikaongereka. Iko atukimunyo gatigara. Lakini wodi kya kuona ndikuona bagitikaniria. Wodi munya tumuona agitikira into ile droilinda. Wodi ile turi tumuona agitikira munya utuka nawe ko kedwa gitena kangabana. I don't foresee that.
Right. Bore kagitena kaka totigeria around 2 years tethira tugitonya kiki thirana kyo kingi. Na tukatika tukona nteremo nyamanya ikwambiritie mwangi joro jage siasa. For example, county Muturi na county Drakanite ko mbicha toronere mbicha itebu iburu bagira na rite baringana live nkundi berumaga no ntubonya ba to ba budget bakiuga kwe wandite ko kiro mbecha bamwe kumenedia governor bakiuga na gutumira buthuku. And actually yesterday kwe MCAs batano bara chumeri na bamberia kuga kinya governor Muthomi Njoki na batare ko chunkuno ni EACC. Pengine wave eze yamberitie yanandi michemani okwithirwa egisiasa yathithwe kambiria kwangara taru michemani ethanto bakarwa bakuringana bakwingana and all that. Pengine if you like hivi
uni Drakanidi na wathani bokaura butina mwanya muno uturungi ndarua ndikuga mbere ule
wathani bwa governor
wa bwa governor ali nabu
nabo Muthomi Njoki kana uri
na ura gukarika Drakanidi na ndi ndikona kwa necessary ba Muthomi because ugateka muchumuno jwa arika kuba jwa tiro na ikiu jwa tona nchuma jwa kenda jwa kwaragania kieni kana kenda kuruwa ukayoteka muchumuno jwa Drakanidi jwa mtubuni na kura aragera itena kauna ngaite ni kuone na the politics chamero yo ya mwana Drakanidi is becoming chaotic lakini tukimoke yake leo this is not about the budget. The budget ira rwagiro wale era kuli force si bitangugi for one Muthomi Njoki atethwa ikureni you want to be the governor so these people bakumenya bakaruma Muthomi Njoki kana bakatwa kura nawe bakiugo utengu galita utu Muthomi abadilika kairi na batia da backing yewe and there are people there baba kwenda giti kya governor but they up to nabo Drakanidi. These people, they are the ones ibaba ufiora mantuja ibaba ina mantuja ya mechemani yeji na ekendera muno because okay uteka antubana no kwenda gitonga mu Rwanda no kwenda gitinande na most of these people baba rabu kimono bawe antu baba na botika bakwenda kijuki kairi so bakenda kuoneria antu baba kanini muntu ro atabaletera development njoke na batina mwe nikende nyani ndulero jonto kugo tingugiriteka uni midro ngaita ngugi na mbere antu bangaita ngugi no ro tumita ndia guita ngugi muthomi njoki kenda bya kuona kula na ngikaro ugu inguteja ura the former kana ura kuchwa gitika ngabana nwe ura kedwa ndina we kenda kimuka pinaira in one or the other so these people tema to budget campaign na bali kuchwa gitika ngabana na MCA zijoba kwa bakwenda MCA bamuona baigere bamwe ibakwenda MP so no mwaka politics no mwaka tonye dwene kendo tonye kia kendo umba kiasa utumba kiasa wenyomba na no iko dukiwo kali kwilita kaini ndakwira gitigia kiasa otireta irwa no mpo to bring you a political seat you have to go and get it heila utoka gira wingiro heila ukagira tekiro ningwa komango kane nyonkwe kani bandai witiza kuchwa gitigia kiasa inaweza kana so in time in politics utopo kala duguru letero giti nekyo kuona nazo kuona bakachagwa bagita na thina ikauma ikyo kuona na kaguma gwika matwa machururu na mbi that is politics ikyo kuona naja adharakanithi baigarana itena bakauna ngaite biguni na mbio that is siasa igitiga siasa bagirite ndiko gutuma kure gitiga siasa otireta iro kogira
right
you have to go and get it you can get it by all means so ugetera ate ugo kam to very polite uretero gitiga kiaso tikiona ikigutuma kwira ati our former governor aligeria by all means kumbai sympathy vote atwamiru bona na kunyamarua ibona na kudithia ate na kunyamarua lakini wewe ngo nyomuria for those two adabu yazo twaluka thirikari ya mutumo tingugira ita o muria for two adabu yazo mukompea na 2 months ngugira kuone titine iriku already mutuma atera na dipute na anora suikira sono mutuma atitweri na ndi sisi babo to nyangugine na agwe ngabana former ngabana okalite for 2.5 years idio tuire obisine ni atia ndiko kuona mugia medi ile tiritina 2.5 years tumeona kitu kile aje inya uwe ngabana the former ngabana no batu tuone 24 billion ila kirande temiru ingugire ko kitete no batu tuonia jonto gwetweka okolea ni promotion of poverty it's a poverty promotion project no tonga iliano o tuira ogwantu baba mutura dia nabo batende rwimandi futi atia kire economy yao kana kimuturire jwao ni ate batende tiabo yes yokunekera mtu mandi futi ukunekera mtu mulingiti rojo mtu akamuringiti yu katini ukanekera intare is okay is good arojo nakole kakala mulingiti yu taketa na juu ikyo gutuma wona batu ginya the former governor na ukurukwa ni urago kalikana ndi just go the other day ndio with kapseret uone what usundi ndindi there pia bituma kuri tutiwo sundi ali ajana bikibiki makana jairi akayu bikibiki 200 akaja na so pocho mirus makana jairi akaja na machini cha kudhambia ngali makana jairi akaja na mitungi yongwa ya ilia ya tuba beta ambio kenda beta gutachungu akeni power antuba wetu ula tukuona na naja na tu the awangabana imadifuti yako ejana sunde bakia jana ngali na bakia jana ngali the former governor akia jana madifuti na kuejana miringiti na kuejana into mtu atumba guiteja so that is what I'm saying kintu kira kiaro na kira ngabana kungudwa the former governor ni kudwa tena 24 billion ile Kenya itapati kwendwa tuonete industry dia diningana okay
alright
bikende kendi power economy ya yudiba beto batina ngwengugi na bati kudwa ni kali njite the investors bakuma ume tukete tukone biwa ka investor meru je industry kia kwa meru ikadika na beto ba meru okay itapati kuona ati aki increase kinyento bia kilimo into bia urote ngwene ifomo jobs akebwa na kulima tukono bate bia into bia kulima tukono bia industry park yora baadhi de was a good idea but ne wala ilo njirene tukono industry park yugubwa tu bakomba kinto bia ona na bakona mbecha je kwa chimbi byali bitano tukona jakingi kila kalia ne kura ila cyalo cyo gwika maembe na nyanya ikididi twende gwika inya carrot ikididi tumtu akagira ura nyanya carrot iteduka iteja kwa sport na iko kuga ito pati kwa batu nya tu wake up ko and I think the government now will take something we look at this because batu tumba ko imani futi tuna kairantu lakini sundi aina kanira ngali akanengania bikibiki akanengania hivi bia kudiaga akanenganira mekankanira ngalangani tu akanengana bikibiki makana jairi just imagine akanenganira machini cha kudhambia ngali atuba machini makana jairi ni atuba kana chia ni power how many people ibanga na ni power tu baraba nenkerwe hivi pia wita kwambilia industry chao ni antubangana ba tani power ni antubangana ba be bakayukin to bia bagita byongui ni antubangana ba kona daily bread kuningana into bila ba nenkero so inya ba tumiru tuluka pa inya ba tumiru tetuleta irwa ngau kindike igwe mungu tetuleta irwa into biti te ya antubeto economically is a professor ibareti into bila bikate ya to bamiru bila bikatuma mtu ameru omba kuleta chumbe omba kuleta chukari omba kuleta sapa jewe na omba kule afisi. That is what we are talking about. Now okay economically kwabwa because mbere kawa kateja kuruka uko tirigirite kawa kali economical base emiru kawa kateja everything oriagiro nyana na muchanga ugeto kaliro fees mtu na kawa mwana atengi kumachukuru but that's not the case now you economically ikwadukire so uni nduga atini ukedurwa tuwa bilioni tutiro na rayetire then dirikali leo ni ukirie ulimbo tobia tuina bio tuna kao tuna mayani tuna nyanto bara bandera nyambene bamira kinyao no kidwe economy yetu ndiguruni ite economy yetu amiro county ukire ndodi njasi what you can do about the coffee see what you can do about the tea see what you can do even about new things muira kiatero itwanira pamba gaitu yari one of the musical crops ikwenda painadram wontuko wetu kibirichia into bibi kwamba gukira because kilemeti teka umareli what happened in donors and baraba itangu ile into bile byareka no kinyambecha byaka kampa and baraba agura byareka kwendwa so kinyana ndi tukenda manalo tukwadia tukaita kaitu tukanda pambebwa tukoma tukaita kibirichia tukanda painadram mwebwa na tu inivo tu kidi intobia bitigere ja kawa kaka kwando nyanandi na majani na mbira baba inayo nikende economy yao itembele.
Thank you so much. Ngirikani ya kinya mutegeri wetu kire manto za waridia je county ya Tharaka Nithi nkuchanio na nkurukin tanguru taniri kwithirwa chikionekana ndene account eu tukethirwa turi na ureni advisor wa governor wa county Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki tukethira twina ntukoya ukiaja kethirwa akiareria na gututariria mantu jegi what is happening in Tharaka Nithi county because otora woga itukujirita a lot of things antiba kulingana na ITMC tukiganua
bakabukia mchemanyo lakini ikibugwa the name of budget which is not the case team budget utumando chuka
siasa
siasa ne bali
right
na siasa wirija because Muthomi is not by
thank you
no longo keja
boiria no tomo madaje tu kidogo ya final
ngato kama sentiment kampere kancho ke sentiment tu taboga mono kuna kelele tu kuningo mbatata ba sentiment bakiale ya manto barabara kambure na lua barabara ekuma Kariene wita Bwenjeru mwanka kidirune as we are talking now barabara ni abile wiko lami as we are talking now tractor siriale ichi wita ngwiri tukalite kate kuga tekwa engineer tireja iba ambile tango kwa Kariene ibi want ngwasi etirale on the content of mujumbe sentiment wana kilima okay the second phase ile kauma Ikweta iname ite kwate kambau imayo itongia gutungu itongia na kwitu kenyaku engineers by site ko batira mbila by site ibakudima barabara yetu wanaolega kara na siwe umau kwina barabara yake no siwe ile sabu ni wale weekend wale on the second phase ije kumakidatu ije kaderi ije Mariana ije kinyikweta kairi na ile ngine kule ngine sendi chakiago ntikumenya ije kuma kao Buijeru not Buijeru but aja Gitune kwa barabara ije Gitune yangu few nyacho in the process. So what I am saying is this. Ukadwa mheshimiwa Settlement arabilia gutwonera barabara na ichi weta mbere menya tubati kwira mtu igwa kandi tuona wega bwawe teka tubati ukira lakini je baba ateta muno na ndi andu bange bamwanga je batwire uteta ndekuwa baki alidia barabara ekariene ndekuwa baki kwa barabara bakudithirwa ndekuwa baki kwa turete kwa barabara egwikirwa lami they are very quiet basi kwenda kwalia je unandi kambere barabara ni gwikirwa lami nambere kirimo gwikira whether you like it or not iba dirikali ne na mtu agikaira ae dirikali ne no na madaraka jonde na nyetu majangu kwanto baidira ikwithirwa ati dirikali tali disambete tigwe mujumbe tali dagia dirikali ne tali disambete akina yo doni disambete etere ni bone Settlement dikado heaven just wait it's a matter of few days I have just given you an example itakaliene ukenda tractor within 1 or 2 months uje ikwetale ukenda what is happening ukenda barabara mwe kumekweta mwanka kamba unikudigwa karakara wete kaderi ukenda barabara ya kaderi ina merete au iwe kuja kumera Maria University ukenda none kudigwa na inya wete bwe ka na wete ije kumera wete Gitune se ukenda very soon ilo tukungati what is happening katwe kanya tu edirika to baba edirikali na kanya because utro to kwanya twepo tujukia nguge yao edru mujumbe letu miteri wanu de ne buga gitoko kinge bwana Dennis lila mtu anenkerwa gite akalira mweni kanye gitari ulilio igitera campaign ile gite because ina ndaje to whisper tu alinga campaign na ndi gitara yangu gi mtu le baadhi tukatwento bya twatikuwa twena bi what we are supposed to get ibyo tukenga tu alingira mheshimiwa kilema gituma this time na noe gwete dirikali no gwete ndobya development noe nambe chini batikuwa igitamba cha kwa Settlement that means we are going to lose na tukalose for 2 years what we are not caught.
Alright.
By the time echiasa ira yingura iro ira yingura nya ugoke ya kuba no yote kwa dhidwa uba iyo bati kwadia omura ugo kuja tamu weku no tiwa dhidia lakini kula mtu alio tu ura dhidia this time na natige miaka ingiri no tije miaka ingiri ni atakwa kara ikuone ni nadi nya bati development to kupinga ade bati kuba yirite kabuge bote alis ineni police ineni thing kitu kila kibati kilio edo ya bajali na jabu ba Settlement ka tongile ba tu la win Settlement that's the mgemu kile makanya kawe taimwewe aitangugile bati kuduelewe uko na alo kona ngugia tira itamwega ya bukoto your time egitera campaign kuja kugate ngugite itero kuja kwa barabara tadidilwe kuja kwa chukuru etakiro because kanzi sikusi nako didia sikusi chikwimbwa a lot of things ani bakwe wambatari so uko na ndia tu akutali walia na ndi menya tuga urumwa godi video tonto byo monte menya nukadidi ata so ukaja kuba tuga kinya campaign no uko tarumwa ni wiro na right ya kwali ngo tiko ona
yeah thank you so much bwana Bweria
thank you
nando madhaja tu kidogo tukaingaira
thank you
ingwetike to gutonga mantu kathumba makire national government county government ishiko bunge bito na other
kati okire kairi tukinga
just a second tukirika ya
itaja tama to mtembuge kairi buga uba atu bara bugire kairi ngati okira kairi nkidiria buga atu bara bakomenya beite dirikali ne mutuma beja guita information
okay
bagika ya gutukura gutiri ugo kedro igo bije urali number 1 ya turo rumete mutuma ndi out na sino uko da kuja dirikali yewe utonya dirikali ne this time na teka ugo te kumenya ute kumwa la ta kukali kungwa inkudia kuita kaideta kuira atire nkidiria buru kwe mtutu iraja atwere dirikali ne munya kuna tutuenda bo mirunye mbandomen ute dirikali ugo support aitambere kuna tutunaba tu dirikali ne munyana bomu beta banjo ni dirikali kreitu ana bomu kaini banjo ni dirikali kawira ana na ade bando menire ile ndo tonya ke dirikali ne ya mtoidi ngakaini boza bando men ute dirikali bakala ne omba gutambere batonya ke dirikali kagwa bachoka batigwa bo bagisabaiba bagetia thirikari ile ngikaja batonyekenda beta usabaiba that is not going to happen. Ugo keba nuji mbando men bekana thirikari mutuma ukeba nuji mbando men kana nalo kala Tiyo ujana di yon tuwe nurone ni wau uja kutukana di doka iko mutangazaji number 1 ni iko mugi number 1 ni iko mmenyeri number 1 ni iko number 1 ura uje zikale mutumolo geta jati di bida marun zikale mutuma melekalia kaita ngura komenya na utoe ukaetekilia tegwa kaile ukeja wewe wakanya kakuja kwa mbando men uja kuguja zikale mutuma itutegerete Ikundike kia batu itu tuaruja dikaya mutuma na itu mikalitie no tiro tutialia kama tujaje kato kutakwa nite tukajalia na tukanite faga ndoke do mutiata number 1 let me tell you bana mutuma that one I mean bana Dennis ngakura kiu kinyo do we mutiata hata wiye ka hata ndene mbiru batu tutekwa kanya uja kuduka dikaya mutuma we will not give you that chance na tukauga direct ka kokera kwa direct urugwe ugo wimbandomen igo twa kudukia thirikari ile twonde kieja miru na igo na ndu ujite kairi ijo matuki kairi medukia edwa kugugia kugitanga ne bila kireja igekero kagoto gikiro mudanga kendo bila thirikari mutuma.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you sana. Iboga sana Mutegeri tukare na Bwire Basa kuma Central Event Team na uno tukadhora tugekira gatanta rorero tundene ya Toringe email rokirorana ro tugata mbere na gukumanyithia mantu kathumba uraza kumira ndene county ndene matura jetu ndene ndegoro yonde ya Kenya na nkurukika gita na kara tugata mbere na kuthuja utongire bo county ya Tharaka Nithi toranda gutariria ndakwira kagita na gakam tugatha tuikureta ira mamwe ba MCA ba county ya Tharaka Nithi na nkuruki uria nwe advisor kana mwathikirira wa governor wa county ya Tharaka Nithi Onesmus Muthomi Njuki tugatha twino ntuko Jumatano nikana tukariria mantu jegie county utumenya what is happening nonto ni county muturi na itonda kumenya kiri akarinya pa county Tharaka Nithi bara batutagaira ibenda kumenya imbi gweta na mbere ndene county wonba mbetaga Dennis Mutuma Muthomi tugukare na Bwire Basa bithiro ngikwandagira kagita kega